morning everyone. So let us start our class. So in our last class we have discussed about what exterior angle property. Okay, so what we have seen in the property that say if this is the triangle and say this is the exterior angle. Okay, so this is what 1, say this is 2, angle 2, and this is what angle 3, and this is 4. So which one is our exterior angle? At first, angle 4 is what? Angle 4 is our exterior angle. So what was the property? That exterior angle will be equal to this 3 is what? This 3 is the adjacent angle. With this 4, this 3 is what? Adjacent angle. So we will not consider the adjacent angle. So angle 4 will be equal to what? Sum of the remote interior angle. Among the 3 angles of the triangle, one angle will be what? One angle will be adjacent angle. The other 2 remaining angle, if you add, that means 1 plus 2 if you do, that will be equal to what? With your exterior angle. This is the property, okay? This adjacent angle will not come. So okay, so in the last class I have said I will show you how this property has came, okay? How this property has came, you see. Okay, at first you see now, by angle sum property what I can say? What was the angle sum property? That angle 1 plus sum of all the angles of the triangle is what? Always 180 degree. That means angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Sum of all the interior angles of the triangle, okay? Not exterior angles. So how many interior angles are in the triangle? How many interior angles are there? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 angles are there, okay? Forget about 4. This is exterior angle. So what was the formula of angle sum property? Sum of all the interior angles of the triangle will be equal to what? 180 degree. So I can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equal to what? 180 degree. By what? By angle sum property. Say this is equation 1. Again what I can say? That this angle 3 and angle 4 are what? They are directly on the straight line. So they are forming what? A linear pair, isn't it? So again I can say that angle 3 plus angle 4 will also be equal to 180 degree. Say equation 2. This is angle sum property. This is angle sum property. And this is what? This is linear pair, okay? So this is linear pair. So now from 1 and 2 what I can conclude? From 1 and 2 what I can conclude? That this is also equal to 180 degree. This is also equal to 180 degree. So in both cases the right hand side is what? Same. So if the right hand side is same, then the left hand side will also be same. Okay. Over here also this is 180. Over here also this is 180. So I can say that yes, these two are what? Exactly same. So I can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is exactly same what? To angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay, if the right hand side of 1 and 2 is same, then the left hand side of 1 and 2 will also be same. Simple, okay? Now see, both side angle 3 will get cancelled. Means simple shortcut I have done. Plus angle 3, that side will be what? Minus angle 3. So plus angle 3 minus angle 3 will get cancelled. So what will remain? Angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to what? Angle 4. So this is the property, that the exterior angle, angle 4 of a triangle is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles, not that adjacent angle, okay? Understood? Remote interior angles. So this is how the property has came. So now we will use in our exercise, okay? So let us start the exercise. If you want, you can write this property proof in your notebook. Sometime extra question may come that prove the exterior angle property. So then you have to do in this way, okay? So this proof you can write if you want, okay? You draw a triangle, name the angle, then just do how I have done. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Or don't write angle 1, write angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle CAB equal to 130 degree. Give proper names. Or angle 1 plus angle 2, like this also it is correct, okay? Then give the reason. Then from 1 and 2 exactly same you do this proof. Sometime extra question may come, okay? Okay, so 6.3, question number 1. Draw the diagram. Diagram it is given 6.39, right? Draw the diagram. Okay, so this is the diagram. Now what is given? 110 degree it is given, and 135 degree it is given. 135 degree it is given. Okay, so what we have to find? In figure 6.39, side QP and RQ, side QP and RQ are produced. So see, this is produced, QP and RQ are produced to point what? S and T respectively. Mean this side is produced to point T, extended to point T, and this side is extended to point S, so that exterior angle can form. If the sides will not extend, then exterior angle will not come. Okay. So okay, these sides are produced to point S and T respectively. If angle SPR it is 135 degree and angle PQT is 110 degree, find angle PRQ. We need to find angle PRQ, this angle. Okay, we need to find this angle. So given, you write, given question number 1. Okay, first angle what? Angle SPR it is given is equal to 135 degree, and one more was what? PQT, right? PQT is given as 110 degree. What you have to find? We have to find this angle. So there are two ways you can find this angle. Okay, there are two ways. First way, little bit one step lengthy, not that long, just one step more. See how I will find this angle. So see, at first I will find this angle. How I will find this angle? Very simple. This what? Linear pair. At first I will find what? At first I will find this angle. Okay, this one. How? This and this linear pair, na? Very simple. You can find this angle. Then again, second I will find this angle. Again this plus this, again linear pair. This is also a straight line. This is also a straight line. Same thing. Only that thing is vertical. This thing is horizontal. So this angle also you get. So now in this triangle you see, in PQR, okay, this triangle you see 1, 2, 3. Among these three angles, two angles you already have. So using angle sum property you can find this angle. We have got the answer. So means by this step, first we have to use what? Linear pair. Second what? Again we will use what? Another linear pair. And third what we will use? Angle sum property. So by using these three steps, we will get our what? Required angle. Now what is the other process? One step will be less. See, at first say I will find this angle. By what? Again by linear pair. So in the second step, say again I will find what? That angle, linear pair. Now this angle I have got. Okay, this angle I have got. Now I will not find this angle. Directly what I will do? Directly I will use exterior angle property. So what is the exterior angle property? Say this is the exterior angle now. So this angle will be equal to what? Forget about this angle. Why? This angle is your adjacent angle. So you cannot consider adjacent angle. These are the three angles of the triangle. Among these three angles, this is the adjacent angle. So I cannot consider the adjacent angle. So this exterior angle will be equal to this angle plus this angle. Then also you will get this answer. Means step 2 what we will do? We will use exterior angle property. Understood? So by these two steps also we will get our answer. So either you do in this step, this linear pair and angle sum property, over here linear pair and directly exterior angle property. Understood? So it's up to you which method you like. Say at first, this method I'm doing, okay. This is lesser steps are there. So let us do. At first I will find this angle, okay, this angle. So this angle plus this angle will be how much? 180 degree linear pair, right? So now angle what? Angle SPR plus this angle SPR plus this angle. What is the name of this angle? This angle QPR, isn't it? So angle SPR plus angle QPR will be equal to what? 180 degree linear pair. Okay. So put the value of angle SPR. This is what? 135 degree plus angle QPR will be equal to what? 180 degree, which implies angle QPR will be equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree, which implies angle QPR, if you subtract, this will be 5, 3, 4, 45 degree. So you have got this angle. This angle is how much? This angle is 45 degree. Now we have got this angle. So see, this exterior angle property I will use. This angle will be equal to this angle plus this angle, because this is the adjacent angle. So again angle, this is the exterior angle. The exterior angle equal to means angle TQP, or what is given PQT, right? So you no need to write TQP, write PQT only. Whatever it is given in the question, write that one. PQT, angle PQT. But if you write TQP also, that is also correct. Okay. So again angle PQT will be equal to, that is exterior angle equal to sum of the remote interior angle. This is the adjacent angle. So sum of the remote interior angle, which will be equal to angle QPR plus angle what? PRQ. This one we have to find. So which implies, what is the value of PQT? PQT is given as how much? 110 degree. 110 degree, which is equal to angle QPR. What is angle QPR? QPR, this is how much? 45 degree. So this is how much? 45 degree plus angle PRQ. PRQ, this we have to find, isn't it? PRQ. Keep on solving. This plus 45 will come this side. What will happen? Minus 45, right? So which implies 110 degree minus 45 degree will be equal to what? Angle PRQ. So if you solve, which implies this is 65 degree is equal to what? Angle PRQ. So what is the value of angle PRQ? 65 degree. Okay. So if you want, you can try by that method also. Okay, if you want. Let me check the answer once. So yes, angle PRQ is how much? 65 degree. Okay. So you can do by this method also. Then also you will get the same answer. Okay. Say if I do by that method now. Say this much will come linear pair. So this one I have got. Now again I will find this one by what? Linear pair. Okay. So say if you find difficult in this method, so then try that method. Okay, try that method. So again angle, this plus this will be what? 180 degree. Angle PQT plus angle, what is the name of this angle? PQR. Angle PQR will be equal to what? 180 degree. Why? Because linear pair again. So this way we are going. Okay. So what is the value of PQT? 110 degree plus what is the value of PQR we will find? Will be equal to 180, which implies angle PQR will be equal to what? 180 minus 110. Done. So which implies angle PQR will be equal to what? This is 0. This is 70 degree. So this angle also we have got how much? 70 degree. So now by what method we will find this angle? By angle sum property. Okay, by angle sum property. So how? So simply if I write, okay, say here only. Simply if I write now in triangle PQR, add all the three angles, angle PQR plus angle PRQ plus angle QPR will be equal to what? 180 degree, isn't it? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. So what is the value of PQR? Value of PQR is 70 degree. What is the value of PRQ? PRQ we are going to find. So PRQ. What is the value of QPR? QPR is 45 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So 70, 40 is 110, 115 degree, right? 115 degree plus angle PRQ will be equal to 180 degree. So which implies angle PRQ will be how much? 180 minus 115, which implies angle PRQ will be how much? Which implies angle PRQ will be, so this is 5 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 65 degrees. So same answer you will get whichever method you follow. Okay, same answer. So this method, yes, first step, second step, third step, 3 step will come: linear pair, then angle sum property, and that step linear pair, and then directly what? Exterior angle. Yes, you can use linear pair over here also, and by this exterior angle also you can solve. Same thing. If you find directly this angle, then this angle, this exterior angle will be equal to this angle plus this angle. That way also you will get the answer. Okay. So any method you like, whether in the first method or by the second method, whichever method you find easy, you solve by that method only. Okay. Okay. So let us see question number 2. Draw the diagram. Question number 2. So this is the diagram. Read the question and write the given part. So in the figure, angle X is equal to 62 degree. Angle XYZ, angle XYZ, angle XYZ. See, okay, XYZ. This complete angle, okay, X, Y, and Z. This complete angle is how much? 54 degree. Not this part, okay. Yes, it is written in the upper portion. You can write in the down portion also, doesn't matter. But you see the marking, complete angle Y, okay, complete angle Y, X, Y, and Z. So don't get confused that 54 degree is the upper portion, not 54 degree is the complete XYZ. Okay. If YO and ZO are bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY respectively. So see, YO and ZO are what? Bisectors. Bisectors, I have said in previous class also. What is bisectors? Bisector is that line or that ray which divides the angle in how much? 2 equal portions. So YO is the bisector of this angle XYZ. That means what? This upper angle and this lower angle are exactly same. Then ZO is the bisector of which angle? This XZY angle. That means this upper portion, this upper angle and this bottom angle is exactly equal, isn't it? That means that is the job of the bisector, right? Bisector will divide the angle in 2 equal parts. Okay. So YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY respectively. So from this line, what you will understand, that these 2 angles are equal. This top and bottom angles are equal. Over here also this top and bottom angles are what? Equal. Okay. respectively of triangle XYZ. Find angle OZY. Find angle what? OZY. OZY. This angle. Which one? This bottom one. Look at the diagram nicely. OZY. This bottom one. Okay. We have to find this bottom one. OZY. And one more. You have to find what? YOZ. YOZ. Which one? This angle. Okay. This one later on we will find. Okay. So at first let us write the given part. Let us write the given part. Number 2. Given angle X is equal to what? 62 degree, comma. Angle XYZ is given. Is how much? 54 degree. Now one thing you may ask, why this angle X is written as only angle X? You can write like that also, angle YXZ. That is also same thing. This angle only, okay. But why it is written as angle X? And why this angle is not written as angle Y? Okay. Why it is written as angle XYZ? They could have written this one also as angle Y only, complete angle Y. But why they have written this one, this portion? Because this angle is what? Divided. Divided into how many angles? 2 angles. So whenever an angle is divided into 2 or 3 angles, then you always give their complete name. And if an angle is complete, no divide, nothing, it is complete, then yes, you can write in shortcut also, directly angle X. But if you want to write angle angle YXZ in place of angle X, if you want to write angle YXZ, that is also correct, okay? Okay, so this is the given part. So see how I will find it first. Now I know that this angle, this is the 54 degree complete, and these are what? They are bisected, right? So this upper portion and this lower portion is exactly same. Similarly over here also upper portion, lower portion same. So see, in this triangle XYZ, this 62 degree is given and this complete 54 degree is given. Means this angle X complete is given and complete angle Y is also given. So definitely you can find the third angle of the triangle by what? By angle sum property, isn't it? By angle sum property, among the 3 angles, if you have 2 angles, then the third angle we can find, right? By what? Using angle sum property. This plus this, 180 degree. These 2 value you put, subtract from 180, you will get what? Your third angle. So how we are going to find this angle Z? By angle sum property. Okay, complete angle Z, okay, not this one. This one later on we will find. At first find complete angle Z. So now, in triangle, what? X, Y, Z. I can write angle X plus angle Y I will not write, okay, because why? It is divided. So I will write its full name. Full name is what? X, Y, Z. This is the full name. If you want, you can write over here also full name. No problem, okay, but don't write over here short name. You have to write over here full name. Over here it's up to you, full name, short name, it is totally up to you, okay. Plus angle what? Angle XZY. Angle XZY. So if I add these 3 angles, how many it will get? 180 degree. This angle XYZ plus XZY. Reason what? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Put the value. Angle X is 62 degree plus angle XYZ is 54 degree. And now we will find what? Angle XZY, which is what? 180 degree. So 62 plus 54, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 11, 116 degree plus angle XZY is equal to what? 180 degree. So which implies angle XZY plus 116 in the right side will become what? Minus 116. So if you solve, we will get what? Angle XZY is 4, 2, 6, 64 degree. So what is the value of angle XZY? The value of angle XZY is how much? 64 degree. Okay. We need what? We need this bottom one. Okay. We have got this complete angle. How much this complete angle? This complete angle is how much? 64 degree. But we know what? These two angles are exactly equal. Means if this complete Z is 100 degree, then this part and this part will be how much? 50-50. If this complete Z is 60 degrees, say, then this up and down will be how much? 30-30. Okay, that is the job of bisector, right? Equally divide into two parts. That means 64 degree will also be what? Divide into two parts. Divide means what? Divide two parts means what? You have to divide by 2. Like 100 by 2 is 50-50. 60 by 2 is how much? 30-30. So same thing you have to do what? 64 by 2. How much? 32-32. Okay, so this upper portion is also 32, lower portion is also 32. So now we will say, now since ZO is the bisector, since ZO is the bisector of angle XZY, so what we can say, that therefore this angle and this angle will be equal, isn't it? This upper angle and lower angle. What is the name of this upper angle? This angle name, upper one, angle OZX, isn't it? OZX. So therefore angle OZX will be equal to this lower angle name, this angle, which one we have to find? Angle OZY, isn't it? What is given in the book name? Yes, OZY only, okay? So angle OZY, so this will be equal to what? This will be equal to, we know that this angle and this angle is what? Half of this angle. Divide in two parts, isn't it? Half of which angle? This complete angle. Means this complete angle, if we divide by 2, then only we will get half. Divide in how much? 2 parts. So which is equal to 64 divided by 2, which is 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. So how much degree? 32 degree, 32 degree. So we have got this angle is how much? 32 degree. So one angle we have got. But we are asked to find angle OZY. Angle OZY we have got how much? Angle OZY is 32 degree. This also we have got, but this no use. Okay. Now what is the final angle that we have to find? The final angle is now this one. How we will find this one? You see. See, this lower one is also a triangle. Small triangle, isn't it? So in this small triangle, this angle I have got 32 degree. This angle I need to find. Can I find this angle somehow? This one. So yes, very easily I can find this angle. How? Because this angle and this angle is what? Equal. So they will be how much? Half of 54. Isn't it? Half of 54. So you just find half of 54. How much? 27, 27. Because this is also bisector, isn't it? So this will also be half of. So again, since YO is the bisector of angle XYZ, again since YO is the bisector of angle XYZ, so what I can say, that therefore angle, this upper angle and this bottom angle, what is the name of this upper angle? Angle XYO will be equal to angle OYZ. OYZ will be equal to what? Half of this complete angle. Half divided by 2. So what is the name of this complete angle? Angle XYZ divided by what? 2. That means what? Which means 54 degree divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 5 14, 2 7 ja 14. So how much? This up and down 27, 27. How much? 27 degree. Now very simple. In this small triangle, this angle you have, this angle you have. By angle sum property, we can find this angle, isn't it? So use the angle sum property. Now in triangle, the small triangle named YOZ, in triangle YOZ, add all the angles. So what is the name of the first angle? Say this angle YOZ, isn't it? Angle YOZ plus this angle name OYZ, angle OYZ plus angle, this angle name angle OZY will be equal to what? 180 degree. Reason is what? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. So which implies angle YOZ. What is the value of OYZ? OYZ is how much? 27 degree. 27 degree. OZY is how much? OZY is 32 degree. So 32 degree is equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay. So which implies angle YOZ plus, what is 32 plus 27? 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5. 59 degree will be how much? 180 degree. Now take this 59 degree to right hand side. So plus 59 degree will be how much? Minus 59 degree. Which implies angle YOZ will be equal to how much? 180 degree minus 59 degree. So subtract this, you will get the answer. Okay. What is 180 minus 59? So this will be equal to how much? This will be equal to, below only I am doing over here. So which implies angle YOZ will be equal to how much? 9 then 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8 and then what? 1. So check the subtraction. Okay, if there is any mistake, I think it is 121 only. Okay, 9 then 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 then 1, 121 degree. Okay, so what is angle YOZ? This angle is how much? This angle is 121 degree. So this way we will find. Okay, at first what? At first the complete Z we have found out. Then bisectors, right? Half. So half we have done, we have got how much? 32. First angle we have got 32. This is also bisector. So again half, 27 we have got. Then angle sum property applied in the smaller triangle, you will get what? 121 degree. So easier than the previous exercise. Okay. Only two properties will be used. One is exterior angle property and one is what? Angle sum property. Okay. So over here no exterior angle. Everything is inside the triangle. No exterior angle. So what property left? Only angle sum property left. So it's easy only, na? No exterior angle. Directly you can think, okay, there is no exterior angle, there is no parallel lines, there is nothing. Okay, so only one property can, no linear pair also. You see, nothing is there in this diagram. Only what? Angle sum property. And yes, since bisectors are given, so yes, half of that. If it is bisector, then always divide by 2. You will get both the portion. Okay. So okay, today we will stop here. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 questions are left. In next class, we will complete this chapter. Complete chapter 6 will be completed. Then we will move to chapter 7. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Any doubt you have, you can ask me. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.